Okay, Alissa,
Hi.
go ahead and tell us a little bit about what was going on when you first came in.
So I, for years, have noticed when I was in the shower looking down to shave my right armpit. I know that's not so glamorous, but I'd see stars. So I'd look down, and then everywhere I looked around, there was like white flashing floating spots. And that happened every time I went to shave my underarms for like, I'd say the past 2 years. So that I didn't have pain necessarily, but I knew something was wrong, and that was what I had as a symptom. Also, yeah, it is interesting. My mid back was tight too, so yeah, it was really the flashing after just looking in that direction that was my main concern.
Interesting. And then go ahead and just describe briefly, how your treatment went, how your care went.
I mean, excellent. So I'll share that I'm a chiropractor, and I'm always like so genuinely enthused and pleased is being the patient on this end of things with care, because the diligence that's needed to take care of patients appropriately, and how truly each adjustment, each correction, each analysis is done to the person's anatomy, physiology, symptoms. It's like awesome to experience it on my end of things. So obviously it's very specific, and I will share this. I mean, again, given that I am also a chiropractor, the fact that I had been getting adjusted and checked, my spine literally was getting mobilized at least once a week for the past like 20 years. I still had those symptoms. How you do things matters, and they do it superbly here. So, I mean, I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled. Yeah.
Awesome. And how is it going now with the?
I mean, great. So, like, legitimately, and it's not to make things seem unrealistic, but I was convinced, because I know like the body's innate ability to heal itself is strong. But I really was convinced that given that I had that problem for so many years, it would improve, but not nearly at the quickness that it was. So, I mean, I don't want to say it's like my care is not done because I got better, but literally after my first check to see if I was out, in which I was, and then Atlas correction, I have not been seeing stars shaving my armpit, which is a numerous time a week thing I do for me. So be that as it may, I had such a dramatic improvement right out the gate. So it's just so cool. And it's really cool to experience it as a patient, because I've been on the other end of it as a doctor in a different capacity. And it's awesome.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.